हेलो बच्चों, गुड इवनिंग। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ बायोमोलिक्यूल चैप्टर के जो कि क्लास 12 का चैप्टर है, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर, उसके कुछ ट्रिक्स शेयर करने जा रही हूँ और वो ट्रिक्स मोस्टली आपको हेल्प करेंगे फॉर द अमाइनो एसिड लर्निंग पार्ट। अमाइनो एसिड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारी बॉडी के लिए बिकॉज उससे प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज करती है हमारी बॉडी। अमाइनो एसिड actually what does it mean? Amino means NH2 and acid means COOH group. मीथेन में 4 H होते हैं और इसके H को वन बाय वन हम रिप्लेस करें विद द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ग्रुप एंड अदर H with the NH2 group. Third with we will keep it same and the fourth with the variable R part. We will get different kind of amino acids. Amino acids को हम अलग अलग तरीके से कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं. Like the one of the way is acidic amino acid, basic amino acid, and the third category is neutral amino acid. The other way of categorization is aromatic amino acid and non-aromatic amino acid. Okay, and the third and the most important classification is amino acids which are non-essential and the amino acids which are essential. What do you mean by non-essential and essential? Amino acids which are synthesized in our body by itself, those are called non-essential, and the amino acids which are not synthesized in the body are called essential amino acids. बच्चों, अमाइनो एसिड्स की एसेंशियल और नॉन एसेंशियल को याद रखने का एक मैं ट्रिक आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ एंड द ट्रिक इज AV MPTT. ओके, अब ये सारी की सारा जो मैं ट्रिक शेयर कर रही हूँ दैट इज फॉर द एसेंशियल अमाइनो एसिड. सो जितने ये ट्रिक में कवर हो रहे हैं ये सारे एसेंशियल एसिड्स हैं. आपको इसको याद ऐसे रखना है, AV हिल MPTT. व्हाट इज A हियर? A इज arginine. A is arginine. What is V here? V is valine. V is valine. What is H here? H is histidine. H is histidine. What is I here? That is isoleucine. Isoleucine. What is L here? L is leucine. L is leucine. What is other L here? That is lysine. That is lysine. What is M here? What is M here? That is methionine. That is methionine. What P indicate here? P is phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. What is T here? One T here indicates tryptophan. And the other T here is threonine. So this is the trick to keep in your mind, AV hill MPTT. Here I come with the next to tell you how many essential acid and non-essential acid amino acid structures. The first I am going to tell you, see guys, I told you before also, when C is connected with COOH and here is H, here is NH2 and here is R. If we replace R with the different groups, you're going to get different amino acids. So I'm going to start with the first structure. First structure is, see, amino acid can be written in the ion form also, something like this, COO minus NH3 plus. What I did, this H part will go with this N. This will become NH3 plus and H. Okay. So if I keep H here in replace of this R, the first structure I got is glycine. This is the first amino acid structure. The second structure will be same way. I am going to represent it in the form of ionic form CH and COO minus, and with in respect to R I will replace R with CH3. Okay, and the structure is called alanine. The structure is called alanine. Here I come with the third structure. First two structures we did is glycine, and the other structure we did is alanine. The third structure is the same way we will write it, NH3 plus CH COO minus. Here बच्चों R की जगह पर मैं replace करूँगी with this CH, CH3 and CH3. Okay, this structure is called valine. Here I go with the fourth structure. And the fourth structure again I am going to replace with this CHCOO minus NH3 plus, and with respect to R I am going to place CH2, CH, CH3 and CH3. Okay, the only difference here, I have replaced C and I have included one more CH2 here in the third. So their name will be leucine. Okay, now I am coming with the fifth structure. The same way, NH3 plus CH COO minus, and it is going to be CH3 CH2 and CH3. Okay, now this structure is called isoleucine. See, the difference between leucine and isoleucine is, from here CH3 has gone here, and from here one H is coming to this. So leucine and isoleucine, nothing else. So these can be called, they are having same molecular formula but the structure is different, so they are isomer. But your first, these five structures are same, almost same. Okay, now I am again coming to the next set, that is the sixth structure. The sixth structure, same way I am going to write COO minus and NH3 plus, and the structure will be CH2. Now here the new thing is coming, that is OH group, and we call it serine. Alright, here I come with the seventh structure. Let us change the color also to make it little interesting. And the next structure is CH COO minus NH3 plus. So here CH3 and OH, और बच्चों हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे, threonine. We call it threonine. And here the eighth structure will be see the same way, CO minus NH3 plus, and here R की जगह पे हम लोग बच्चों क्या लगाने वाले हैं, CH2 and SH, a new element, and we call it cysteine. Okay, so the ninth amino acid is going to be the same way, COO minus NH3 plus, and here comes the long chain CH2, CH2, and S, and here I have replaced H with CH3. In cysteine, here we were having H, and now in the structure which is called methionine. Okay, the only difference between cysteine and methionine is in replace of H we are keeping CH3. And the 10th structure is this NH3 plus CH, COO minus, CH2, COO minus. This is called aspartate. And if I keep H here, if I keep H here and H here, then this compound will be known as aspartic acid. Will be known as aspartic acid. Here I come with the next structure. Here I come with the next structure, and that structure will be same way CH and CO minus, NH3 plus, a long chain CH2, CH2, and COO minus. We call it glutamate. We call it glutamate. And here is the 12th structure, that is NH3 plus CH, CH2, here CO minus, CH2, C. बच्चों यहाँ पर एक न्यू एलिमेंट आ गया नाइट्रोजन, राइट, एंड CO. This is very important amino acid and we call it asparagine. Asparagine. Very good. All right. And here I go with the 13th structure. Here I go with the 13th structure. The 13th structure, same way I'm going to write it CO minus H NH3 plus. अभी तक तो तुम लोगों को रट्टा लग जाना चाहिए, right? And it is CH2 C double bond O NH2. इस वीडियो को 3-4 बार देख लो, रट्टा वैसे लग जाएगा, ठीक है, टेंशन ही खत्म. Glutamine, right? Glutamine. Okay, here I go with the 14th. सेम वे वही कहानी चलेगी, CO माइनस और यहाँ पर आपका आ जाएगा NH3 प्लस. वो तो सब में ही चलने वाला है. थोड़ा कलर चेंज कर लेते हैं, इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा. एंड आई एम कीपिंग, चलो पिंक शेड ले लेते हैं. ओके, C13 एंड हेयर इज द 14th. सो देखो अब इसमें क्या डिफरेंस आएगा, CH2, CH2, CH2. कितने डालोगे मैडम? 4 डालेंगे बच्चे, 4 यहाँ पर आपके डलेंगे CH2, और उसके बाद लास्ट में हम लोगों का लगेगा NH3, ठीक है. दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड, yes, it is actually, it has accepted 1 proton, so we will put positive sign here, and this is called lysine. Okay, and now the 15th structure is CH, COO minus, and here is NH3, and here is NH3 plus. What we are going to write, CH2, same way, CH2, same way, CH2. 3 बार CH2 लिखने के बाद आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे NH, C डबल बॉन्ड NH, यहाँ पे प्लस साइन आ जाएगा, और NH2. और इस स्पेशल का नाम क्या होगा, आर्जिनिन. very important amino acid for our body, arginine. Okay, now next structure is very important, because जो next structure हमारी होने वाली है, that is going to be aromatic. कैसे, ये देखो, CH, COO minus, and here is NH3 plus. वही कहानी, ये कहानी तो आपको रट जानी चाहिए. ओके, नाउ CH2, और यहाँ पर आ जाएगी हमारी प्यारी बेंजीन रिंग, और इसका नाम क्या होगा, किसी को आइडिया? हाँ बोलो, फिनाइल LA9, फिनाइल LA9. सो फिनाइल LA9, और इसका एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट और इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इसमें बनता है कि आपका वो कौन सा एमाइनो एसिड है जो कि एरोमेटिक भी है प्लस एसेंशियल भी है, ठीक है. सो द आंसर इज फिनाइल एलेनाइन. एंड नाउ कम्स द 17th amino acid, and 17th is going to be again aromatic. This is NH3 plus CH, CH2 and CO minus, and here is again our benzene ring. लेकिन यहाँ पर एक change है, para पर OH group लगा है, and we call it tyrosine. Okay, this is again your aromatic. Fine. 18. Now the next one is, see, proline. How we are going to write it? This way. You can make it like a pentagon and keep it NH2 plus, and this is CO minus, and this is called proline. अगर इसका पूरा स्ट्रक्चर मैं बनाऊं तो पूरा स्ट्रक्चर पता है ऐसा मिलेगा, NH2 plus CHCO minus, and here is CH2, here is CH2, here is CH2, and here is connected with the CHCO minus. और ये बना कैसे होगा? ये बना होगा ऐसे, मतलब आपके पास यहाँ पे NH3 प्लस होता है ना बच्चों, और ये C के साथ कनेक्टेड होता है जो कि CO माइनस होता है, और ये जो C है वो नेक्स्ट किसके साथ जुड़ा है? CH2 के साथ, और यहाँ पर CH2 के साथ. तो बेसिकली क्या होता है, ये H जो है यहाँ से निकलता है और यहाँ पर एक चेन बना देता है, and which give rise to this, and then further we got proline. Okay, now the 19th one is NH3CH, and here is CO minus, here is CH2, and the structure is like this. Okay, and here what we are having nitrogen, which is having a lone pair, and here is again N and H plus here, and this lone pair is in conjugation with the ring, and what do we call it? This is very important. This is histidine. Again it is aromatic. And essential amino acid. And the next structure is NH3, which is the last one. Have patience. खत्म हो रहा है फटाफट. CO minus and CH2, और इसके नीचे लगेगा, इसको हम ऐसे, और ये सीधा रखना है this way and keep it straight like this. और इसके साथ हमारी एक बेंजीन रिंग लगेगी. So we are completing their double bonds this way, and here is the nitrogen and here, and which is having a lone pair. और ये क्या है बच्चों, बहुत ज़्यादा important वाला tryptophan. तो बच्चों AV हिल MP TT याद रखो, भूलना मत. ओके, गुड बाय, कीप लर्निंग. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आई विल गिव यू मोर क्वेश्चंस एंड ट्रिक्स ऑन